Station number 1, you had batteries and you had to figure out which one was the best buy. So here, you might not want to do formal mathematics. Maybe you just want to use some common sense mathematics to help you out. Let's see what I'm talking about here. So the first one, for all intents and purposes, why does it got to be so tense? I don't know. But 297, we could really just estimate as $3. So it's about $3 for 4 batteries. Here, we can say it's about $13 for 36. Again, here about $9, and here you can estimate to be about 5. They're pretty much all the same since they have the 97. Okay, so let's see which is the best buy. Well, if I have 4 of these here for $297 or $3, okay, I can then go, well, down here, this is an 8. So if I go from 4 to 8, that's doubling. So if I have 4 for $3, so 4 batteries, equals $3. Then if I have 8 batteries, that should equal, well, if I'm doubling it from 4 to 8, I should double it from 3 to 6. So right now, that 8 batteries for $497 kind of looks like a better deal, right? 4 costs 3, 8 should cost 6, but it's about $5. So that's cheaper than what I'm expecting. So that's kind of cool. All right, well, let's keep going. So if I go from 4 to 16, 16 batteries should be, if I'm doubling it from here and I'm going from 8 to 16, I'm doubling that. I should double that. So that should be around $12. Okay, all right, so that's $9. That's pretty good. This was about 1 away from 6. This is about 3 away from 12. So right now that's a bigger difference, so that looks pretty good. And let's see then, for 36 batteries, well, I'm not doubling it from here to here because that would be 32. But what I'm really doing is from 4 to 36, I can multiply that 9 times. So to get from 3 to here, I'm going to multiply that by 9 as well. All right, so that should be 27. If all of them are following the lowest amount, 4 for 3, 8 for 16, or 9 for 16, here 5 for 8, and 13 for 36. So that is 14 off of there. So that's pretty good. So I would probably say that the best one should be the 36 batteries, because I'm thinking it should cost me 27 if all these are the same brand of battery, and that's $14 away from that. You know, it's more than double the amount. So in this case, the absolute best deal would be 13 or 36 batteries for $27. That's your best deal right there. Now what we could do is we could go and see how many they are per battery, okay? The amount of money per battery, so we could go 3 to 4. $3 for 4 batteries. That's going to cost us 75 cents per battery. because it's 3/4, $3 for 4 ones there, so that's about 75 cents. $3 for 4 batteries, so it's 75 cents per one battery. Here it would be 13 for 36. As a fraction. Here we could go 9 for 16 as a fraction, and here we could go 5 for 8 as a fraction. And then what we could do is we could try to get them all to be the same denominator, and we could compare them. We compare the 4 and the 8s together and the 16s. Those are pretty easy, and see which is the better deal, and then compare it with the 13 out of 36. So for all of these, this would be 12 out of, because we have to multiply it by 4 to get 16. So if multiply that by 4 would be 12/16, so 9/16 is better. This isn't a good deal. Let's check out then 9/16 to 5/8. If we go that to 16, double that, that's 10/16. So that's not the best deal compared to 9/16. That's smaller. So then we would have to compare the two here to see which is better. So we could compare 9/16 and 13/16. We could divide those out if we wanted to. Or we could find a common denominator. And so here, this is where you might not want to multiply both of them, because 16 times 36 might be a big number. But this is 4 times 4 for 16. And this is 4 times 9 for 36. So they both have 4s in them. 4 is common. What we're really missing is like a 9. So we could start multiplying then by 9 to get a common denominator, since they both have a common thing of 4. This has a 4, this has a 9, so 9 times 4 is 36. So we could do that. Or you could cross multiply to see which one is also better. So you could do 36 times 9 and 16 times 13, and that might be even easier. So if you do 36 times 9, again, you have 9 times 6, which is 54. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 32. So this number is 324. And then you can see if 16 times 13 is bigger than that, or smaller than that. So you've got 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 plus 1 is 4. Add a 0. And then you go 1 times 16, which is 16. And this one is much less. It's 208. So to compare fractions, you can, it's called like cross multiply. So 208 is much lower than that, so the deals would range from 36 is the best, 16 is the next best, 8 would be the third best, and then the least best is that 4-pack. Most people need 4, so that's why they make it like that. Okay, so in conclusion, this is the one you want to buy, kiddos. Whoops. Going crazy. Let's move that down again. Again, this is the one you want to buy. Right there. Thanks for watching.